Building a mud oven. Mud ovens are part of an installation at the Jewish Moroccan Museum and Archive campus at Moshav Sedot Micah, Israel. The mud installation consists of a wall surrounding the campus, a house, a man, a woman, and child sculpture, as well as 4 ovens. The installation is meant to pay tribute to rural Moroccan Jews who settled the outskirts of Israel, fortifying it. We built an elevated platform to ease the use of the mud ovens and reduce kneeling and bending when using them. We used a pile of manure to make a semi-sphere mold, leaving an opening for a door in front and a chimney on top. We used a rectangular sheet of tin as a door and a piece of pipe as a chimney. Some mud builders use a pile of stones instead of manure to make the mold. We used manure as it is easier to handle it, and we planned to fertilize our garden with it. We covered the mold with a layer of hay to prevent the mud from sticking to it. We prepared mud in a cement mixer as follows. We start with water in the mixer, adding 1 bucket of cement, 1 bucket of hay, half a bucket of sand, 1 bucket of manure, and 3 buckets of soil. Before adding each component, make sure the mix is quite moist to absorb the added material. Add water as needed to make a consistent mix. Towards the end, use the last bucket of soil to make the mud mixture more solid and less moist. Pour the mud mix into a wheelbarrow and apply a 4 to 5 centimeter layer of mud on top of the oven's mold. Apply at least 4 layers of mud, one upon another. Cover the moist oven with a plastic sheet to slow the drying process. Let it dry about 6 weeks. Then remove the plastic sheet and take out the manure of the ovens and let it dry for another 3 weeks. Fill up the dry oven with wood and start a fire and increase its intensity gradually. Keep the fire going for about 8 hours. The oven is ready to be used after this initial firing. Visit our museum at Sedot Micah to see our work.